Welcome to a closer look at the new Colossus Super Heavy Tube Laser. Today, we're walking through our latest 3-chuck profile and tube cutting machine, which features a massive 24-inch capacity chuck capable of handling both round and square tubing along with beams, channels, and angles. Utilizes one front chuck and 2 rear chucks. This maximizes cutting stability. The front chuck is completely stationary while the gantry itself moves. Unlike other manufacturers, we intentionally designed our rear chucks with a shorter, reinforced profile. This dramatically increases their strength, allowing the Colossus to support up to 3 tons. The machine features a semi-automatic loading system. You simply stage your material in the designated racks, and during the cutting process, the auto loader feeds the stock directly into the machine. It's built for scale, offering a full 40-foot loading and 40-foot unloading capacity. Here you can see the machine automatically grabs on the rear chuck, servo support tables move out of the way, and feeds the front chuck. The main base utilizes heavy-duty sheet welding, while the beam supports rely on robust steel tubing. The gantry glides on 3 massive 40mm linear rail driven by a heavy-duty rack system. And to make shipping and installation manageable, the entire body can be disconnected into 3 modular sections to easily fit inside a shipping container. Here's a smaller chuck machine that has smaller servo support tables because it's designed for a lower weight. But when you're moving 40-foot stock, you still need the 3-chuck assembly to keep the stability up on those long tubes. Speaking of which, handling a 40-foot tube or beam requires serious support. This model is equipped with 4 servo support systems on the back of the machine, and when we move to the front, you'll find 5 independent support stations designed to handle various material lengths. The automated flaps engage exactly where needed, whether you're working with short cutoffs or maxing out the unloading zone with full-length pipe. Delivering the power is a 20 kilowatt laser equipped with a BLT 4 series cutting head featuring a full bevel system. The gantry is driven back and forth smoothly and precisely by a dual motor setup, Y1, Y2. But the biggest innovation on this new heavy-duty system is how it handles localized cutting on these massive pipes, beams, and tubes. In the past, if you wanted to cut a hole, the rear chuck, the X and Y axes had to work together, physically moving the entire heavy tube back and forth. That constant shifting of heavy material causes rapid wear and tear on the chuck and gears. We've solved that now. The gantry itself features its own independent Y-axis. This means for any cuts within that 13-inch window, the cutting head moves exactly like a flatbed laser. The heavy pipe and the rear chuck never have to move at all. This drastically reduces mechanical wear and dramatically increases the long-term reliability of the machine by letting it act like a flat sheet laser.